The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator features a progressive style that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The sleek preview glass door allows you to see inside the fridge without letting any cold air out. And the fingerprint-resistant finish is easy to clean, keeping your refrigerator looking beautiful. Airtight crispers lock in moisture, so fruit and veggies stay fresher longer. And dual evaporators cool the refrigerator and freezer separately to maintain ideal temperatures and humidity. Plus, the roomy interior features flexible storage options to maximize space while keeping your groceries organized and easy to find. The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator. Kenmore.
With more ways to care for food than ever before, our industry-first 5-door refrigerator was designed to open more doors to culinary creativity. It's a powerful combination of innovative storage and elegance, creating quality you can see and feel. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The temperature-controlled drawer features 5 presets, so you have the perfect environment to keep food looking and tasting irresistible. The right produce drawer has a produce preserver, keeping your commonly purchased fruits and vegetables vibrant. Now your favorite foods will always be within arm's reach. A stunning platinum interior with silver glossy walls creates an appetizing aesthetic for everything inside the refrigerator and complements the metal accents throughout, while the LED lights beautifully framed in chrome illuminate every ingredient. The doors thoughtfully close themselves to await your next culinary adventure. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
Introducing LG InstaView Door-in-Door Refrigerator, bringing distinctive styling and innovation to your kitchen with a tinted glass panel that allows you to see inside the easy access door without letting the cold air out. Refrigerators are opened a lot, letting cold air out every time. Experience the convenience of seeing what's inside without ever opening the door. More cold air means more peace of mind that food will stay fresher longer. You can simply knock twice on the tinted glass to illuminate the compartment for access to your favorites. LG's door-in-door panel is designed to meet your lifestyle. It has extra room for food storage, with convenient organization for all of your family's favorite foods. The cold saver divides the compartment from the main cabinet of the refrigerator to prevent significant cold air loss. The glass panel is activated by a touch recognition sensor. Moreover, the glass is reinforced and so durable. The argon gas-filled, triple-pane tinted and UV-resistant tempered glass door offers industry-leading insulation, protection, and durability. The custom chill drawer gives you additional refrigerator or soft freezer space when you need it most. The versatile drawer features 4 temperature settings. Use it as a soft freezer space or create another place for fresh foods. Whatever you decide, the adjustable dividers make it superbly simple to take usable space up a notch. The slim Space Plus Ice system provides more shelf space and allows even more space for door bins.
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the awe-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-door refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
From the most awarded brand in the industry comes the new Kenmore Elite 24 cubic foot counter depth grab-and-go refrigerator.
The convenient Simple Select dispenser with easy-to-use controls delivers clean, filtered refreshment. Choose cubed or crushed ice or water, all at the simple touch of a finger. The counter depth design stands flush with your countertop for a sleek, built-in look. Yet it still offers all the same features and interior capacity you need to keep your foods fresh and organized. The grab-and-go door is a door within a door that, with the press of a button, provides quick, easy access to your favorite beverages and snacks. There are plenty of places to keep all your go-to foods handy and organized. The convenient outer door bins are great for storing butter, cheese, and condiments. Since you don't have to open the full door, it helps reduce cold air loss from the main compartment. Use the inner grab-and-go door for easy access to favorite foods, or when it's time to reload snacks, drinks, and more. The advanced NSF-certified water filter system reduces chlorine taste and odor, impurities like mercury, and over 99% of lead for cleaner, fresher water and ice. The top shelf is all yours with the slim indoor ice maker. It allows 100% use of the top shelf, plus extra storage in the door. Say goodbye to wilted produce with the Kenmore exclusive airtight crisper. Even after 7 days, lettuce is still crisp. A unique gasket and dimpled surface locks in moisture to keep veggies fresh.